Hello and good day. And so this is how to use the Offerup app. So when you first have the app installed, this is what it's going to look like. So the first page is the home page, and this is basically where you can browse numerous items based on a Offerup algorithm of previous items that you've seen, previous items that you've looked up. You can also check out jobs. You can also check out services. So there's multiple different ways that you could actually go ahead and use Offerup. Now, the next tab that you want to click on is the inbox. And so if you are selling or offering on things on Offerup, this is where all your messages are going to be. So I tend to actually sell a lot of items on Offerup. And what I like to do is that on the top left-hand side where it says it's group by listing, I normally have that toggled on so that I can kind of categorize all my conversations based on the item that I'm selling. So I would recommend that you keep that on, or else all the messages, if you toggle it off, it's going to look like each individual message. But if you group it by listing, you can see all your messages categorized by listing. Now, on the top right hand side, you're going to see a bell. This is just for notifications. I don't click that all too often. Now, next, if you click on post, this is actually how you post your item. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to do a test here. As far as typing in yoga wheels, for description, I'm just going to put test. Now, when you click on select photo, you can choose a photo from your albums, or you can take a photo manually as you're creating your listing. I normally take my photos prior to actually posting the item. So if I click on select photo, click on edit, select more photos, we'll choose, let's say, a picture of this doggy door. Okay, we'll use that as our photo. You got to make sure that you click it again so that it's highlighted, and then click on done. So for this one here, we'll actually say doggy door, then click on next. Now, I only ever fill out the category, which is pet supplies. It helps categorize it within Offerup's algorithm, and then I also set the condition. I don't normally ever fill out the rest of the toggles just because it takes a lot of clicks, and I want to kind of reduce the time it takes to actually upload these items. But the condition and the category are probably the most important toggle down menus to fill out. Then click on next, then set your price. I'm never firm on price, but that's up to you. Being firm on price just means that people aren't able to offer less than what your asking price is, but I'm normally negotiable. Then click on next. Now, for your delivery method, if your item is shippable, meaning that it's not like a piece of furniture, or it's not a fridge, or it's not a car, then you're going to be allowed to actually sell and ship nationwide. Keep in mind that there is a 12.9% service fee that applies. You can toggle it on or off. So normally I toggle it off if my product isn't in a box already. But if it's in a box already, I'll actually go ahead and just use this helpful guide here. So the buyer pays for the shipping label, and you just have to measure your box. So the box from like my yoga wheels, for example, will be like a large box. And like I mentioned, the buyer does pay for the shipping, which is makes it convenient and easy for you. But we'll toggle that off though, and afterwards just click on post, and then your item's going to be ready to post. Now, the next tab is called My Listings, and so this is where you're going to see all of your listings. So you can see in the last 30 days, I posted 6 times, I've gotten 280 views, and I haven't sold any items. And in addition to that, going back to the home page, I do want to show you that there's a search bar up top. So this is where you can actually type in multiple items. So I recently just started searching for my junk table. Now, to actually inquire about a listing, you want to go ahead and click on the listing and scroll down. You can see here that you can see some images, you can see the condition is new, you can see the description, and then afterwards, this is where you can either go ahead and ask about the product. And so Offerup has some quick messages you could actually just auto send. Hi, is this still available? Hi, I'd like to buy this, or hi, can you meet today? Or you can actually make an offer. Okay, so here, let's say I want to offer $250, and then you can make an offer. So that is essentially how you use Offerup. So if I were to actually send an offer for this, it's actually going to appear in my inbox as a message. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you found this quick tutorial on how to use Offerup helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.